Hi, I'm Liz, and today I want to introduce you to a website that can help you learn English from ground zero. So this is a great site for beginners, but they also have more advanced options. And for this website, you will need to register. So I will try to walk you through how to register and how to use the website. So let's get started. Here we are at the website. The address is usalearns.org. So when you open the website, you arrive here at their homepage. And what's unique about this website is you do need to register. You can register by clicking here or here. When you click register, there is a form that you need to complete. Your email address goes here, your first name, your last name, and then you will choose a password and type the password again and click register. When you click register, they will send you an email with a link. It looks like this. Click this link and it will confirm your account. Once you have your account confirmed, you will sign in with the email address you used to register. And your password. Click sign in. And here is your homepage. So from your homepage, you can see different choices. There are different levels. You can see the levels here. This U.S. citizenship course, ignore this for now or maybe for good. You do not have to take this, okay? You want to start in one of these. If you are brand new to English, you want to start with the very basics. You'll click here for the first English course. Then they have English 1+, second English course, and practice English and reading for the third level. So just to show you an idea, we'll start here. And here it's going to take you through topics and will let you know if you complete this topic and your score. So for example, here's the introduction and vocabulary. So we have the welcome. So we can click here to listen.
Hello, welcome to the first course English class. This is Sylvie Marquez. Ms. Marquez is your English teacher. Have fun with Ms. Marquez and the other students in the English class. Click Next to continue.
Okay, so we're going to click Next. Here it's telling us what we will learn. This is going to start with the letters of the alphabet, how to introduce yourself, how to write your name on a form. This is starting from absolutely zero. So if you need to start here, you'll start
in
with
this
listen.
unit, you will learn classroom directions. You will learn the letters of the alphabet. You will learn how to introduce yourself. You will learn how to write your name on a form.
And you would just click next through the lesson. Okay? So every time you click listen, it's going to read to you what you see on the page here. You don't have to click listen if you can read it yourself. Okay, and so as you move through the lesson, after you read what it says, you keep clicking next. Here, we come to a video that we need to play. It tells us that he doesn't understand. Let's see.
Excuse me, can I have more water, please? Oh, and how about some coffee and some of Lucy's pumpkin pie?
Okay, so he understood the water. But then he didn't understand what she said next. So then he's talking to his boss, and his boss says, please learn more English. And so here he is in his English class, and he's learning new English words. So here are some new words. You're going to click new word.
Ask.
And then if you need to hear it again,
Ask.
then you hit next. It's going to give you another new word.
Listen.
So here's the first word it gave you, ask. Now,
Listen. Point. Point.
okay, so it's given us ask and listen, and now it's giving us point. So it's going through the vocabulary for this lesson. And as you can see, it's very, very basic. This is for total beginner levels, which I have had some people ask for something a little easier to use than the British Council website or some of the other websites I've been able to show in some other videos. And so what's nice about this website is it starts from 0, and you can complete every lesson in order so that you don't have to wonder, where should I click next? What should I do next? Let's go back home and look at a harder lesson. Let's try the second English course. So here we're going to click workers in the workplace, and let's click on the job health and safety. So now for vocab and introduction, we have some different activities. We're going to click here.
I see the future. 3 roses are going to appear. Hello, welcome to English for All. In today's episode, you're going to learn about going to and will. We often use going to and will when we talk about the future. For example, I'm going to sell many roses today. Ouch! You're also going to learn about job safety today. Well, let's get back to our story. We left Alejandro filling out an application in Miss Gilmore's office. Will he get the job? Let's see.
Okay, so if you need to read the text, you can click here. If you understood, we can click next. Tells us what we're going to learn. And here it starts our new word.
Appear.
So here's the definition for appear.
Application.
Here's the definition for application.
Courses.
And here's the definition. So it's giving us the new words, and the definitions are going to be here. Let's go back to the activity menu. So you can see how far we've gotten through the introduction and vocabulary. If we go here to come into view, to be likely, we think that is appear. So now we're going to click check, and we got it correct. So now we'll hit next. A form you fill out is an application. Next. Classes or a series of lessons. These are courses. Next, naturally or clearly. Of course. Excellent, superior, wonderful. This would be great. A person who helps someone else, an assistant. Let's see what happens if we get one wrong. A person who runs a business daily. Let's say we thought that was responsibilities. Notice here it says incorrect, try again. And now this one we can't click, so we'll try again. And now we got it right. Duties. These are responsibilities. A small book, normally free. This is a pamphlet. Paper bills and coins used to buy things. Of course, that's money. To do something special for a happy occasion. That's to celebrate. And now it's doing introduction and vocabulary listening match. So we're going to listen.
Appear.
And now we have to match what we heard with what they say. Okay, so that gives you an idea. Let's go back to our activity menu. Here we see those definitions that we matched. I missed one, so the score is 94%. We can see here we didn't learn all the new words because I exited out early. The listening match we just started. Let's see what say it says. So we have to let it use our microphone. Now I'm going to click this, then I'm going to say the word, and it's going to record me. Appear. Stop, and now we'll do playback.
Appear.
Appear.
So you can see my voice matched his voice. And you can use this feature to see how well your voice matches his voice. So you can go through each of the words to do that. Here, it's going to let you practice some spelling, which in English, it's very difficult to spell. So here, we're going to listen.
Appear.
And then here, it shows us how many letters. So we type in, and we got it correct. Let's see, press listen, type the word, and press check. Oh, here's the new word. So we're gonna listen.
Application.
Now let's say we got this one wrong. Let's say we thought it was like this. Now we hit check, and it tells you the exact letters that are incorrect so that you can correct them and try again. So that gives you an idea what spelling looks like in the application. And look how many activities you have. So many, even grammar is listed here. Making choices, here's a review and assessment. So you can see these courses are something you can work on. You can log on, work for maybe 30 minutes or an hour, log off, and then come back to where you last were in the course. And you can move through the different topics. If it's easy, you can go to a harder level. It's really great for those who are wanting to walk step by step through a program. They have all of these courses You can explore these to find one that is right for you, hopefully. So that is everything I want to share today with the usalearns.org website. I will put a link to the website in the description box of this video. If you have trouble registering or using the website, feel free to send me an email. You know my email now at elizabeth.miller.emm@gmail.com, and I will do my best to help walk you through using this website. They also have an app. They have the base first English course, that very first one I showed you, where it's very, very basic. They have a free app that will help you review that vocabulary. It lets you do the speaking practice. And there's a video that they made. I will put it in my playlist on my YouTube channel so you can see what the app looks like. If you are a beginner, it might be a really great way to practice. If you are in one of the higher courses, they don't have that on the app as far as I know. The app is just for the base level. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and good luck studying English.